am unearthly. I am darkness, the sun cursed me. I let the homicides begin like a young Percy. Anybody competing with me is unworthy. Anyone shooting 3 at me's in the Sun's jersey. I was born as a Catholic, but the nuns turned me. I was born as a pacifist, but the guns turned me. I was born to be a beautiful man, but the ugliness is powerful. I do what I can. That's why I try to drop a jewel on my man and told him that the block is hotter than Jerusalem sand. I don't ever have to prove who I am, cause anybody know me know that I'm a ruthless man.